Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to the immigration again for the second time, and yeah, they've not even produced the passport photograph and the passport. They've not started their own production. So today I decided to visit the famous Abakaliki Stone Crusher. So because I schooled here in Abakaliki, I spent like almost 6-7 years in here in Abakaliki, so but I've not been to this place. So today I just decided, since I'm not doing anything, I've been wasting my time, as you can see, so I decided to visit the famous Abakaliki Stone Crusher. And yeah, so many people from different states comes to this place to buy stone. And basically this is like the female, because when I was in Abakaliki, it's the women that mostly do the building. Like they do all those plastering, carrying blocks to the building. Like they're the ones doing the majority of the work here in Abakaliki. So today I visited the place, and as you can see mostly women. So we'll be waiting for them to start grinding the stones. So you guys should stay tuned as I get started. So guys, the famous Quarry Stone Crusher is located at Okposi Umuohara village, Abakaliki Ebonyi State, and it occupies a very landmass. The place is so big, as you all can see, and also these stones are gotten from Izi village in Abakaliki Ebonyi State as well. According to the guy here, he said that the stone is being tilled manually before taking it into the crushing machine. Thank you. So like this machine, how does it go, like grind the stones?
So this machine is being operated manually.
Okay, manually. Oh, okay.
Manually, I mean, you cannot select itself.
Oh, okay.
It's only the women that can select it.
Oh.
This is the basket.
Okay.
Look at the holes. Look at the
different holes, yeah.
Have that of plate. Have that of dust.
Okay.
Have the water and warning.
Yeah. After tilling the stones, as the guy said earlier, because of its huge size, the women has to load it into the crushing machine and get it ready for crushing. So yeah, I'm going to show you the different stones, like after it has been crushed from this size to this size to this to this, and even to the one they call the dust. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that has to do with this stone production. And yeah, this is how the crushing goes. As we were told earlier that everything about this stone crushing is being done manually. So the women are the ones to separate the stones according to each size. And guys, these women are so hardworking that they do this from morning till evening. And also, when I asked one of them, when I interviewed one of them, she now said that they are being paid according to the headpan that they carry. So it depends on the number of headpan you carry per day. So that's how they are being paid. And then again, according to one of these women, she said that they feel so ashamed of the kind of work they do, that this work is mostly for men, but they have to do what they have to do just to survive and to feed their family. And now they are now pouring the stones according to each different sizes, and these stones are now ready for sales. So this is one of the sellers that own this particular stand where all these women work as laborers under her, and she's here to tell us the different sizes, the names, and how it is being used in building. So the gravel, uncle?
Which one?
The gravel. 8,000 for the block. Oh, okay.
For interlock.
Okay, this one is for interlock.
Then the other one.
Okay, this one.
For taking and pillar.
Okay, this one is just for the pillars.
And decking.
And decking. Okay. This one is the 3/4.
Decking and linters.
Okay, for decking and linters. Yeah. So this one here made is like the story building, because it's big. Let me see. Oh. Okay. Okay. This one, 1 inch.
Foundation.
Okay, for the foundation. Yeah. Then this one is 1 inch. Yeah. Then this one is 3/4 for decking and linter. Then this one decking and pillars. Then this one for interlock. Oh, okay, that's good. Thank you. Okay, so now like that dust, for instance, they make cement as well.
Yeah.
So you just put chemical inside them.
Yes. Yes.
So which means people can actually come here to come and buy this dust and use it for. Okay, even for road. Oh, okay. Right now, like this strip now, how much do you people sell it? Depending on the size. Okay, like the gravel. So this one is the gravel.
And this one is
3/4, like, oh, okay. Like how much do these people sell this one like this? 30,000 naira per tipper.
But before we sell 12.5.
No.
For the high price.
Okay, 13,500, not 30,000.
Sorry, this was 13,000.
Okay, the gravel is the 13,000 naira.
This particular size.
Okay, okay, it's 13,000. Okay, okay, per pair loader. So like one of this strip like this, like one of this 10-1 is how much?
Just like 15.
Okay, 4 of this pair loader. Okay, so like how much like for the whole strip like this?
Now when you count it, 30,000 naira by 4.
Oh, okay, 13,000 by 4.
You load 200 each bucket, 2 4. Ticket 7,000.
Okay, you prepare for ticket as well. Oh, okay. So, but how long have you been into this business?
I didn't need to. Let me just say 3 years.
10 years.
3.
Oh, 3 years. Is this business profitable? Is it profitable?
Sure.
Free? No. But one thing I realized about this place, because I schooled in Abakaliki here, one thing I realized about this place is that it's mostly women that involve themselves in this kind of business, that do this kind of crushing of stones and carrying it. Why?
Can't really tell.
Okay.
What I'm saying is that some of these women, they don't have anything. Majority of them don't have anything.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And so this is the only available
Job work they can. Yeah, because when I was in school, I was like, how is it that the men doesn't work or what? Because then I used to see women in 911, they carry them every morning from maybe all those villages to this place. So which means because of there's no job they can do, they now indulge themselves in this kind of business with farming. So thank you.
Doesn't mean that some of the men are not working.
Working, okay.
Like
Yeah.
some of them, they can do all this cultivation at home.
Oh, okay, okay.
Then tilling of be all these big forest. But
Yeah.
some of these women, they cannot do such.
Yeah, they can do
So this is
such.
the one they have. And mostly in this environment,
Okay.
some of their men are lazy.
That, yes, I can tell. I can attest to that.
If you watch the women are the breadwinner
Yeah,
of the
family.
the parents, all these things. So that's it.
Oh, thank you. And yes, once again, okay, we've been into this business for 3 years and it's very, very profitable. Because I heard that this one you can use it as cement, this dust. That is, you can use it as cement as well or something, but you have to add chemical inside. So which is used for plastering and the rest. Oh,
But can you still use it as mixing material?
mixing material.
You know, first of all, I told you I've been here 2 years.
Yeah.
I worked here as sales girl before entering school.
Oh, where did you school? Abakaliki.
My first school of health technology.
Oh yes, I know School of Health in Zambo. So which means you're a nurse?
Yes.
No freaking way. Well then why did you decide to do this business and leave your nursing career?
Yeah, I think if I will have a sponsor or have a good capital,
Okay.
I think the nursing one will still be there while I
Yeah, why you did this one as well?
I'll do the two because if you have your own money and come to business, it's very, very good.
Yeah, it's very, very good.
And this is business that you don't say it has expired. It has no expired.
No, it has
So
not.
maybe
Oh.
you can have it.
Yes, you can go back to your nursing career.
Anytime I have customer, I'll come and
Yeah, come and do it. Ah, that's good. I like your spirit. So you don't want to relent at all. You need to make money, even with or without, but you need to make money. Thank you so much, Ma. I really appreciate your time and efforts. All right, thank you. Bye. So guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to leave some comments in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.